फेसबुक पे मैं देखा था ये लड़की कौन है, तो मैंने उसको ऐसे ही रिक्वेस्ट भेज दिया।
10th खत्म हो गया था, बोर्ड्स खत्म हो गया, सो हम क्या किए, हम फेसबुक पे, तभी तो सबको था, 2011-10 की बात है, सब फेसबुक पे मैसेज करते थे। सम रैंडम गाय जस्ट पिंग्स मी एंड सेज हाय एंड आई एम लाइक चलो हाय बोल ही देती हूँ, सो आई सेड हाय।
तो वहाँ से बात चालू हुआ, हाय हाउ आर यू, वेयर डू यू स्टे, नाम, और मतलब बेसिकली सब उसकी डिटेल्स फिर आना चालू हुए। फिर हम लोग बात करना शुरू किए।
We started talking, friendship हो गया, he became my best friend, he was like the closest friend I had, and फिर एक दिन
24 नवंबर 2011 मैंने उसको प्रपोज किया फर्स्ट।
But I used to say नहीं करना है, and then one day I proposed to him, and that was 24th November 2011.
So वहाँ से हम लोग का जर्नी चालू हुआ।
And we are getting married again on 24th November 2024, which is exact 13 years after starting the relationship. I think the only thing that's always remained constant throughout our journey is that wanting to be together, putting in that effort to be together. Even if we did not have anything, we thought that we'll have 2 phones, we'll sell it off, we'll survive somehow, we'll find jobs, odd jobs, we'll do everything, but we want to be together. कोई फ्रेंड था, नसीब से बेचारा आ नहीं पाया शादी में, कनाडा में है, तो उसने हमें समझाया तुम लोग पागल हो जाएगा सब ठीक गुड टाइम, एंड ही वाज राइट, हो गया सब गुड टाइम। तभी का प्यार का डेफिनेशन एंड द डेफिनेशन यू हैव ऑफ लव नाउ इज वे डिफरेंट। Don't cry.
Very pretty.
फिर बहुत सारे हर्डल्स भी आए लाइफ में, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स भी आए। हम लोगों ने सब मतलब दोनों ने मिलके साथ में उसको अकम्प्लिश करके आज आफ्टर 13 years we have made this day. As long as people shall live, I have it. Are you prepared to accept children that will be from God and to bring them up according to the teaching of the church? I have it. Since it is your intention to enter the covenant of matrimony, join your hands to development of God and the church. I, Satan, take you, I shall be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times, in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Aisha, take you to Satnam, my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Wise men say only fools rush in.
I would want them to have a very happy and blessed life. She has always wanted like happiness in her life. और उसको डर भी लगता है कभी कभी if things go good for कि मतलब बुरे चीजें हो गए. I want that to stop for and enjoy her life to a fullest with her.
Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in.
Day which we were thinking long back, like 13 years back, आज वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि we made it.
Beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell.
Aisha is so understanding and matured lady I know. And I'm lucky to have her as my bhabhi now. It's great to know her now. She is a wonderful person.
Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes,
It's like कि म्हणजे तिच्यासाठी तर किती पण बोलू कमीच आहे. Because she'll be now my wife. Already she was my like best friend first, then my love, then you can say fiance, and आता this is now she is my wife.
First, we met him in for my son's communion party, and there we saw him, and we got to know more about him, and even my family members started liking him. So he is awesome.
Are we excited for the couple's entrance? Make some noise!
you and I left the world behind. You and I, all we know, it couldn't get better than this.
May the good Lord always bless you and keep you happy throughout the days of your life. I love you, my daughter.
Wrapped around your fingers, even when I couldn't help you.
I love her also, and I wish and I hope, and for sure I will, that Sid will keep her happy for the rest of her life.
They had just started dating, and they were coming out from my colony because his college was in my colony itself. So she came to pick him up, and they both were hands in hand coming out of my colony, and I saw them. So that was the first time. She was wearing a pink shirt, a rosary, and a blue jeans. I remember, and she was tall. So I was like, oh, made for each other. They are same height. We have these rituals after the wedding. We are Maharashtrian, so we have Harad Utravni, and there are games they have to play, and they were both making deals with each other. So we didn't come to know who's going to overpower each other. So they were just, they are together. They are together in everything. So they were just doing these eye movements with each other, and they came to know that you have to lose this game and I have to win this game. So that was funny. And that was also showcasing their love for each other and understanding just with their eyes.
Darling, you have this incredible warmth that draws people to you, this genuine kindness that makes everyone feel like they are loved no matter what. And whether it's your infectious laugh, your fierce loyalty, or your boundless capacity to love, you have a way of making life brighter for those lucky enough to know you. And there's Siddhant, someone I've known for 2 decades. From the moment we met, I knew Sid was someone who exuded calmness, wisdom, and an unshakable sense of loyalty. Through the years, I watched Sid grow into an extraordinary man, thanks to Aisha again.
You all know us. You all have been with us, you all have seen us go through a lot, and you all love us no matter what. And we love you both as well. And we love everyone that's present here. We've called everyone here that is special to us, everyone that we love, and everyone that we will cherish forever. So thank you everyone, and cheers, and enjoy the party. It's going to be great. I want every single person to dance and enjoy. Yes? जोर का यार!
Magic System, Red One, Shaoki. Comme d'habitude on est calé, comme toujours ça va aller. On te met l'ambiance à gogo, tous ensemble on fait le show.
On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis, c'est bien faire la folie.
On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this
Do anybody love Tom and Jerry here? Okay, so that's the only picture or that's the only title that comes into my head when I see both of them. Okay, so just the way Tom needs Jerry to keep him on his toes every time possible, and just the way Jerry needs Tom whenever she's feeling bored or possibly she wants to annoy somebody around. So they both complement each other, and I would say that 13 years would have been a long journey, but you still have a lot more to go. So congratulations for that, and best of luck for the actual war that you're gonna start from now on.
Congratulations guys. सिड मेरी बहन का ध्यान रख, वरना तुझे पता है मैं क्या करूंगी. Wish you a happy marriage. Yes. Yeah. And we love you. And we love you. And the day इतने सालों से we used to keep asking शादी कब कर रहे हो, शादी finally हो गया. Finally हो गया. 13 years.
I love him, and I will always love him. I will love him till the end of time. And this is just the beginning of a forever. And I think the only thing I want to say to him is that we'll make it, and we've made it so far, and we will make it ahead as well. मेरा दूल्हा।
किधर है भाई दूल्हा?
दूल्हा किधर है? दूल्हा सबसे ज्यादा फुटेज खाता है, सबसे ज्यादा।
अच्छा।
Yes.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल?
For example, he's never on time, and he's proving that right today.
Is there anything you want to say to see?
I want to tell him that I love him, and I'm very, 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 very excited to get married. Oh my God, I'll cry. Oh Jesus, I'm crying. I'm crying. Okay, मैं ऊपर.
टिश्यू किधर है? बॉक्स दे रही है.
Oh Lord.
खाने से लोग से प्रेम मत करना ऐसा.
मुझे पता है. ओ नहीं नहीं निकलेगा. अगर.
You can.
सीढ़ी के बारे में बात करें.
वो सिर्फ सोच के रो रही है. अभी वो आएगा तो क्या नहीं पता नहीं.
मेरे को नहीं रोना है.
He used to run the house.
She was the head of her house.
जैसी भी हो, घर चलाती थी वो, सपोर्ट थी, and a very important part of our lives, obviously, a person who made my house a home.
मेरे को ऐसा लगा ना कि दिस इज द गाय फॉर मी, कि मतलब आई थॉट दैट दिस गाय इज केयरिंग, ही लाइक्स मी फॉर हु आई एम, ही एक्सेप्ट्स मी फॉर हु आई एम.
उनकी फैमिली ने मेरे को पहले एक्सेप्ट किया, फिर मेरे फैमिली को मैंने समझाया कि देखो वो चीज़ें हैं, पता है उन लोग का अलग कल्चर है, सब चीज़ें हैं, बट आई लव, मेरे को शादी करनी है तो मैं इससे ही करूँ.
And I think Sid has made his place into our family. I think at the start, no one was very fond of him, apart from obviously Aisha liked him, but none of us were very fond of him. But then I think Sid has his way with people, around people, the way he makes them feel special. So I think he has made his place in our family.
I want you to be the best wife in this world, as मैं हमेशा ही बोलता हूँ ये चीज़. So you will be, I know that. But कुछ भी अगर होता है problem, so we will solve it together.
करून अर्पण तुला समर्पण घरात घरपण मी आज पाहिले, मी पाहिले.
इज दैट पर्सन जिसको मतलब हर एक इंसान बोलेगा कि हाँ सबसे बेस्ट है. As a person, as a human being, that's separate, but as a partner, as somebody I know for the last so many years, he is just amazing.
लास्ट ईयर की बात है, मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, तो पूरा एक फेज था मेरा, एक 15 दिन शायद था, तो उसमें कभी उसने साथ नहीं छोड़ा. So that was my memorable, you can say.
सुलग्ना सावधान सावित्री चिंतन सुलग्ना सावधान उमा महेश्वर चिंतन सुलग्ना सावधान दयाखंड शब्द प्रमाण सुलग्ना सावधान अति समीप मूर्त सुलग्ना सावधान शुभलग्ना सावधान शुभलग्ना सावधान शुभलग्ना सावधान.
ये हमारा गाना है, 2 गाने.
Which one?
One is दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
Okay.
We love that song. दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ, तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
मैं भी आशिक यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ,
तुमसे प्यार हुआ. छाई है बेताबी मेरी जान, कहाँ मैं
So we love you a lot. No matter you have left our house, but you will still be a part of this house and you are welcome anytime. I always say to her that तू जाएगी तो return मत आना. But I will say कि आ जा, नहीं हो रहा है.
And I'll miss my siblings the most. More than my parents, I think I'll miss my siblings because मेरा भाई देखा तुमने रो दिया सीधा. मेरा और उसका बॉन्ड नहीं अलग है. संगीत के दिन भी डांस किया मैं रो दी. My sister also. We have a different bond. Siblings वाला bond अलग ही. So I'll miss them the most.
The time when I मैंने वो मंगलसूत्र डाला, that was the most, like you can say, emotional thing.
मराठीमध्ये मला बोलायचं आहे की मी तुझ्याशी खूप प्रेम करते आणि मी जीवनभर तुझ्याशी प्रेम करणार.
सिद्धार्थ आणि आयशा या दोघांनाही लग्नाच्या मनपूर्वक शुभेच्छा आणि भविष्यात त्यांना सुखसंपत्ती आरोग्य सर्व लाभो हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना.
13 years after waiting for 13 years, struggling for so long, fighting with everyone, doing every single thing possible. We've made it so far. And I'm extremely proud of what we've achieved and I really love you. And I really hope कि हमारे 20th anniversary में हम ये वीडियो फिर से देखें and we feel the same thing that we are feeling right now. And I really love you.